In this video, I'll show you how to use the Extendons variants on Collections Shopify app on the Ultimate plan to display product variants as separate items and improve your store's visibility.
First, here, you can check how the App Store Live Collection pages look before activating the X Show Variants on Collection feature. Variants not splitted as individual products on collection pages. Now go to Plan section and activate the App Ultimate plan and configure the features, then check the results afterward. To get this running, go to your app dashboard and navigate to the Plan section. Here, you'll see the available pricing options for the app. Step 1. App Setting. Start by enabling the app functionality to activate the app on your store. Next, choose how you want variant titles to appear on the collection page. This helps customers easily recognize each variation when variants are displayed as separate products. After that, enable the option to show variants as separate products in search results. Then go to Featured Collection Settings and enable split variants on featured homepage collections to display individual variants in your homepage featured collections. Go to Split option, choose Color Only. This functionality works only on 2 collections in this plan. If you want to show Color option, then choose this option, then create rule for any 2 collections. In this guide video, I'm Apply Rule for All. Finally, go to the Add to Cart button customization settings section. This area allows you to fully customize the appearance of your Add to Cart button to better match your store's branding and overall design. From here, you can change the button text, adjust the text color, and update the background color to match your store design. Once you've finished customizing the button style, save your changes to apply the updated design across your store. You can watch all changes in Live Preview section. Next comes the second step, creating rules. Here, you can create rules and apply them across your entire store, specific collections, individual products, or even selected variants. In this guide, we'll create a rule for all collections. Click on Create Rule, enable the rule status, add a rule title, apply on all, and save your settings. In this guide video, I have also showcased the rule for collection and products you can watch the change in Live Preview. This rule will split all size, color all variants for the all collections. Let go to Store Live Preview, open the collection pages. Here you can see the difference after configuring the app. All variants displayed as a separate products on collection pages with Add to Cart button. You collection products catalog increased by variants on collection splitting. Variants are also displayed separately on search results, and home featured collections go to search icon and type any product name. It's displayed as a separated product on search results page. You can create multiple rules according to your need. If you want to show color only, then create rule for 2 collection by choosing the split options that is color. For more advanced control, you can upgrade to the premium plan. This unlocks powerful features, giving you maximum flexibility and helping you boost conversions even further. If you need any help, feel free to contact with our support agent. He will make a complete setup for your store.